just being away from children and spouses and family for long periods of time, it in itself is difficult. And then you couple with that smoky environment, very stressful work, very high risk work, very long hours.
A safety and well-being officer with the BC Wildfire Service says stress is getting to the province's firefighters and affecting their mental health. Not only are they fighting 380 active wildfires in BC right now, they're also mourning 3 colleagues who died recently, one of them from Revelstoke.
It certainly heightened everybody's awareness about the very real risks that people take while doing this kind of work. And so yes, people are holding on okay, but certainly fatigue is becoming a factor, and certainly, there's a lot of people that are very upset.
The service's director of wildfire operations says there are over 2,500 personnel on the ground in BC, and more than 100 Brazilian firefighters will be flying in Friday. He says we will have enough people to fight what's already been a long and hard fire season.
The next few days are going to be challenging. We are potentially seeing rain into the north, into some of the areas where we've seen significant fires in the last 2 months. Caribou, Kamloops Fire Center, and Southeast Fire Center will continue on a warming and drying trend. And as we saw this week with the St. Mary's River fire, the conditions are there for larger fires in the south.
The federal government says it's working to limit the loss of life and infrastructure across the country as much as possible.
It goes to show how we need as a country to be better prepared to face the impacts of climate change.
Steve Lemon says BC residents can also support firefighters by acknowledging the sacrifices they're making and being kinder on social media.
When we're being told that we're not doing enough to protect homes and communities or to protect the logging industry in British Columbia, that takes a personal toll, I think, on a lot of us.
In Vancouver, Sarah Chu, City News.